it's Lulu. I'm back with another video. I love a lot of things, and lately I've been loving healthy hair. Today I'm sharing with you my castor oil hair routine. While my hair is still soaking wet, I am detangling it using my wide tooth comb, working from the bottom up. Right now I'm using Shea Moisture Curl Smoothie with coconut and hibiscus. I love how this smells. It smells amazing. So I'll evenly distribute that through my hair, and then I also twist certain strands, some of the more stubborn strands, and I'll twist those back into the curling. I also make sure to flip my hair upside down. This will help with maintaining the curl pattern and also adding some extra volume. And you also want to stay away from traditional towels. Those are definitely a no-no. That's going to cause extra breakage. What you want to use is a microfiber towel like the one I'm using, or you can even use a t-shirt if you have that on hand. So now that I have my hair wrapped up and I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm going to enjoy some music and beat my face. Now that I'm done beating my face, I'm going to go ahead and take my hair out of the towel and finish up the drying process with my diffuser. So I like to scrunch my hair all throughout the process to keep the curls in formation. And I also diffuse on the lowest heat setting. So I diffuse it on cool and then also on the lowest speed setting as well. You don't want to do it on high because it's going to make your hair even more frizzy. And definitely you don't want to blow dry it without the diffuser attachment because that's just going to give you all kinds of frizz. So I still am in the process of, I'm recently on my hair journey. So I do still have a lot of pieces that are still stubborn, they're still straight and won't curl all the way. So if I do notice some of those strands while I'm diffusing my hair, I'll go back through and spray a mixture of castor oil and water, and then I'll take my finger and wrap my finger around the strand of hair that doesn't want to curl, and I'll try to encourage the curl to form. So I always recommend using a wide tooth comb. You definitely want to stay away from and avoid the fine tooth combs and regular brushes. This is going to tear your hair out and cause breakage and frizz. So definitely please invest in wide tooth comb, and you can get them on Amazon, you can get them at Sally's, you can get them pretty much anywhere. So they also have those special brushes that are meant for wet and dry hair, so those work just as well. So when I diffuse my hair from start to finish, starting off with wet hair, it typically takes about, I would say, anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes, but partially drying your hair in the microfiber towel definitely cuts that time in half. I'd say it cuts it down by like 50%, so it's definitely worth it. So as you're drying your hair, you want to loosely pile your hair inside the body of the diffuser and just gently push down to your scalp. And you don't want to move the diffuser frequently, so you want to leave it in certain sections for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you move it around all crazy, you're gonna have all kinds of crazy frizz, so definitely just keep it in one spot and just gently move your hair around. You also want to flip your head upside down. That's going to give you lots of volume. And then you also want to flip your hair from side to side, and then you can always manipulate the hair back into the shape that you want it once it's done drying. And once your hair is completely dry, I like to blast it with the coolest setting, and I'll go back through my hair with the cool setting. And what this is going to do is lock in the moisture, which is going to keep your hair shiny all day long, and it'll also lock in the curls. So currently I'm rocking this asymmetrical bob. It's really versatile, but ultimately my goal is, with proper hair care, I want to grow my hair out long. But for the moment, you can either wear it like this, or I like to put it up as well. So this is my day-to-day go-to hairstyle. It's like a low bun with a twist in the front. And you are all set. Get those edges. I like to take a clean spoolie dipped in a little bit of the castor oil to promote the healthy growth of my edges. And another tip, I've been using castor oil on my eyebrows and lashes, and I've already seen a major improvement as well. Thanks for stopping by Lulu's Loves. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please like it. Thanks for tuning in.